we'll be seeing certain picture related to certain testing layout in related to the power plant hazards. So IEEE, which is an institute for electrical engineers, they actually recommended a testing, and this is IEEE 383 testing layout. Okay, you have a certain room size which is 8 feet by 8 feet, where you have a ladder arrangement. Okay, and you put certain cable here, and looks like 7000 BTU per hour of certain material has been put here as a fire retardant material. And okay, so a half inch, okay, marinite for walls has been used. And then you have the propane gas that has been introduced to see how long it goes. Okay, flow meter, fuel and air, and control module, supply air. So you supply the air, then fuel, then eventually it burns, and this gas hose, ultimately you are passing through it to look at how far it can go. So this is a standard testing that so many industry they do to find out their fire retardant material is good enough or not. Summary of 1978 CEGB test results. Okay, here is also another test has been shown here. Okay, test creep B and C and test creep A, whereas you can have certain arrangement. Okay, let me zoom in. So this is we call false ceiling. This side half inch from here to here you arrange certain things, whereas sprinklers are here. So these actually give you an idea what they got. So they did the testing for A, B and C, okay, and try to look at all the different position. So fire source and position would creep on rag for test A, whereas you have sprinkler operation time minimum per second is 2 minutes 3 seconds times to extinguish it took 3 minutes 15 minutes 3 minutes 15 seconds. Extent of damage to cable none. Whereas test B, fire source and position would creep under cable tray, sprinkler operation time, okay, 14 minutes, time to extinguish, okay, it was before 17 minutes and 15 seconds. And then extent of damage to cable all level 1 to 4 feet. Whereas for test C, okay, would creep under cable tray 9 minutes and 15 seconds, and before that 17 minutes and 15 seconds, and then you have all levels 1 to 4 feet. Okay, so these are a test result that has been discussed here. There is also Finland test of 1975, and it is showing here that okay, 45 psi of pressure has been introduced and simulated cable tunnel. Okay, so steel plates which has the cross section of B. So you are doing a cross section here, and it is showing here that how things has been arranged. So ignition at floor level, solid steel plate below tray 4, sprinkler number 4 and 5 operated at 4 minutes and 6 seconds. No cable damage on opposite tray. Fire completely extinguished, and these are ignition source that has been used. There is also FM FPRI fire test 1982, and it is showing here the arrangement. So ladder type, open tray, okay, enclosure valve, and then dashed line indicate ignition pin location. Whereas you have enclosure ceiling and different dimension has been listed. Local cell platform elevation, okay, trays not illustrated. Whereas modified mix cable tray array with ceiling level trays position in correct of room. FM EPRI summary of test 2, 3 and 4, it is showing here that cable array, okay, modified mix, and test 3 modified mix with ceiling tray, and then test 4 modified mix with ceiling tray. Location in room center, all are in the center. Sprinkler or actuation time, it is listed here. whereas detector or actuation time also has been listed. So this kind of cross has been listed as automatic sprinkler RTI 166, and the circle with a cross showing automatic sprinkler RTI 166 and sprinkler RTI 60, and this dot means detector. So this is giving you an idea about different type of test that has been done to find out fire hazard in the power plant.